So now we'll go for modifying our dimension style. And before that, you have to click here annotation, and here in dimension style, you have to see which style are selected. Here standard are selected, so we'll go and change on standard because we have created that all dimension with that standard. For that, I'll go here format and dimension style. Otherwise, simply press D and press D and enter, then dimension style. So they have three style: annotative, standard, and this is the user manual, or we have created that. So I'll go for standard and we'll click here modify. In modify, first of all, I'll check primary unit. This is okay as previous we have created. Then fit will not work anything here, and text. So this is the most important thing. Here the text we're not seeing because of that. Here 4-inch text height. So if I increase that in 8-inch or suppose 12-inch as per our requirement, if I increase that in 12-inch, so it's okay. And what is the text alignment? Already we have discussed on it, so you can work with that. So what is that? Horizontal means all of our text will be horizontal, or horizontal always, and aligned with dimension line. So what is the meaning of aligned with dimension line? It will work in the direction of our dimension line. You can change it as per your requirement. Then I'll go symbol and arrows. So here the symbol and arrowhead, symbol and arrowhead. So what is the meaning of that? That we have some symbol or arrowhead end of our dimensioning line, so it's not visible. For that I will go for suppose 8-inch. For that I'll go for 8-inch, and there have option for arrowhead. Which one unit you can change it from here, as our previous lecture already we have discussed previously. So I'll go for OK, and they have most important thing, line. So what is line actually? Here just see, when we are creating a line, it's connected with our object to the dimensioning line, so you can use that as a fixed line. So if you click here fixed, just see it will change. And what will be the length of that? Suppose 3 feet, and then go OK and click set current and close. Just see all of our data have changed. Now it's a little bit visible to us here, and I think, and see here now it's not connected. It's not connected as we have provided 3 feet data. That's why it's showing us like that. So this is the way to change your all data in dimensioning system. Also, if we go again here and also if I go for modify for line, if we provide here for 1 feet suppose, or 2 feet, then OK and set current and close, just see it's being more smaller than previous. So this is the way to change your dimension style as per your requirement, as per your work requirement. Actually, when we work with different types of dimension or different types of data, then we use that work. We use that work. We use a different type of style for different type of work. That's why as per your requirement, you can create any style or anything. So thank you very much.